Okay, YouTube should be good. You guys can, I can't see the fucking chat yet, so give me a second. Morning, motherfucker, morning. What's up, bro? Good morning, new day, new streak. Angel's iPhone, which Angel? Bonilla or the other one? The one that I'm texting right now. Don't be shy. Other one that you're texting. Oh, that fucking guy. All right, there you are. I got you. All right, check it out, bro. Other one that you're texting. Oh, that. Before we get started with the live stream, I'm gonna get started with you first. All right. Let's say I were to put this up, bro. Am I buying or selling here? I don't give a shit about any of the candles. Am I buying or selling here? It's specifically you, Angel. Let's just run through this real quick and then we can get into stream. It's no worries. Am I buying or selling right here? I'm buying. Okay, interesting. You think I'm buying here? Not you, pal. It's just for one person. Okay, but then here? Wait, so you're saying I'm selling here, Angel? This looks like a sell to you? Buy at the white line? This here. This is a buy at the white line here. Fuck all the candles. This looks like a buy to you. Okay, you are very new. All right, cool, bro. This is a sell. It would look a lot easier for you if I did this, I'm sure, but I'm not going to change it, so you're going to have to deal with it. Okay, so blue is my stop loss. I'm risking this to make this. I'm risking this to make this. So in this scenario, I would be selling, okay, even though my chart looks like this because it's blue. And in this scenario, period, I'm buying. Whatever the smaller section is of the stop loss is always going to be what I'm risking. And then the green is always going to be what I'm trying to make. Okay, fuck the white line. Just simply, if the blue area is smaller than the green, we're selling because we're risk to reward traders. And then as far as this one here, if the blue is smaller than the green, then we're buying because we're risk to reward traders. You know, risking one to make three. Does that make sense to you, brother? I wanted to make sure you're all clear and shit before we go into this so we can not have these goddamn emotions later on. I told you I got you. Yes, thank you. Okay, all right, cool, brother. Just want to make sure. All right, now to the rest of you beautiful people, let's get into this bitch real quick. We got 10 minutes until session open. Morning all. Thank you for breaking down. All right, cool. We're back now. US 30 Nasdaq clean for buys. Good morning, butter plug. All right, so a 4-hour time frame, yo. Check it out. 4-hour time frame on US 30 looks like this, bro. Ernesto be having emotions too, Angel. Ernesto is the last person in this chat to be fucking with you. That boy be having hella emotions too. Messaging me, oh my fucking god, I can't believe I missed your fucking trade again. Blah, 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 blah. Both of you motherfuckers need some emotional stability, but it's all good though. Okay, so it kind of looks like we're sitting within a range again. You know, you remember over here for like almost a whole month, we've just been sitting in a range, playing back and forth. As soon as we come down to support, pushing back up. As soon as we come to resistance, pushing back down, and kind of playing within the range. Now that we've unforgivably had this mean push up, kind of looking like we're ranging sideways from this point. Now, I don't call tops to the market, so I don't know when it's going to retrace. I don't know what's going to happen from this point, but I do know one thing. And one thing's for sure, the market more often than not is always going to travel within the direction of trend. Okay, so until it doesn't, until we get some confluence that, maybe we're going to retrace, we're just going to continue to do what the market more often than not is going to do, which is fucking continue higher. And so going down a lower time frame to see if we can kind of play off of that, we simply expect price to come from this support all the way up to this resistance, and anything beyond that is just irrelevant to our system. Okay, let me put this up here. It's very clean. Okay, now going down to 5-minute time frame. Which, by the way, some of you guys will be happy to know, I hired a developer yesterday because I've hit a really tough fucking roadblock in the development of this bot, trying to do it on my own. So I hired a developer yesterday. Monteser is his name. He's a fucking legend. All right, so check it out. Trend line here. Well, first of all, before we get into the trend line, look what's happened with previous session lows. All right, we've already violated the living hell out of them with this push lower. Um, oh, interesting. He spoke at 8:30. This is still before 8:30. Yeah, I'm not too sure what this push was. Nice little 100-point push in 5 minutes. But we've broken below lows and honestly didn't show respect to London lows at all. We just sent it. Now we've kind of came back up to retrace up to this level and potentially may push lower, but still definitely looking for buy. So check it out. If we were to break above these highs here, now that we're sitting at the fourth reaction to this trend line, damn near same exact thing on NAS, except we now have structure to play off of versus yesterday we had no structure at all. I don't need any further confluence, bro. This is all I need. If we break above highs, I'm good to take the trade. But it has to be during session open. So I get nervous putting this shit up here and then you guys hop in prematurely. This is not valid until session open. 7 minutes away. All right? And then as far as the sell-off, since we're so damn bullish, we don't really have much structure to go off of yet, at least. It looks like we're kind of starting to form lower time frame here, but nothing set in stone yet. We could potentially take a re-break of lows. All right, so no break below these lows here. Let it tap. Maybe give us a little third trend line reaction here. It's pretty steep. It should kind of be happening right now, but I won't take the break below lows. If we form some type of newfound support, London lows is already out of there. I'll take this trade all day long, bro. Easy. And we'll just expect that potentially the market's going to continue to retrace. We have a fat range before we get anywhere. So very clean. But that's what I'm looking for, okay? Only thing set in stone is buys. So let me put this up here real quick. All right, now going into NAS right quick. Yo, you said you're using 1 hour for trend and the 1 hour is bearish on US 30. So won't you be looking for sales? No. One day you will understand, Chinindum, when I tell you for the 100th time that 4 hour time frame runs everything that I do, brother. 100% of everything I do is from 4 hour time frame. Hourly trend is simply just a confluence and that is it. I am a support and resistance trader, not a trend trader. Trend is just a confluence to my support and resistance trading. Very good. Okay, going to NAS real quick and then we'll move back over here. So 4 hour time frame, we're sending it, bro. Like it seems like pretty much every single day that we hop on the markets, we just hit all-time highs and that's pretty much what it does. So until it stops doing so and gives us some type of bearish momentum, we just have to expect that price is going to continue higher. A lot of times, and that's why I wanted to bring it up on US 30, bro, when you see this shit here, and I know my older students know this because I used to talk about this all of the time. Once we start to get consolidation sideways here, I don't know if it's human psychology or just the way people are taught, whatever the case may be, the slow of momentum indicates to people that price has to drop. You know, we've already extended way too high up. We need to start to push lower. We have to have a healthy retracement. Has to. And then more often than not, price does what usually more often than not price does, which is just continue in the direction of trend. And they just get chopped over and over and over again because they can't allow themselves to let go of that bias. Trading the Zen Lab system, obviously you guys don't have to deal with that shit. There is criteria to meet to potentially take a retracement trade, but more often than not, every day, bro, we're just riding the wave. That's just what we do. We're going to do the same shit today. You trade similar to Dr. Dollar. Ernesto, go to Dr. Dollar and tell him that I trade similar to him and tell me what he says, player. All right, so going down to a 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. We have London highs sitting up here. That's your homework, Ernesto. Go do that shit, bro. Tell me what he says. You'd be shocked. Okay, and then we have London lows sitting down here. We haven't violated either one of them yet, and so this is game, bro. This is game time out here. We already have our third trend line tap here. This is probably 30-minute trend line, so it's not really prevalent to our system. We've tapped here. We've tapped the 7th time here, which is creating London highs. Then you can draw it to the future. Got a minor reaction here, and we're just continuing high. Nothing is stopping NAS from fucking sending it, except potentially London highs. So if we break above these highs, I would never take that first initial break above highs. It is what it is. More often than not, it gets that opposite end reaction. But I will take this, though. So if we broke above highs, kind of show the potentially liquid grab traders were playing out, and then we form that newfound resistance all day. But this is all I need to take that buy up. If it doesn't happen, if price just sends it just like it did on yesterday, if this happens and we get no reaction, like I was waiting for the same thing yesterday, just a violation of these highs, you know, because more often than not, we just get a nasty pullback. and then I was gonna take some type of structure. Look at this thing, bro. It could happen again, but more often than not, obviously, this is just not what happens. So that's what we play off of, probabilities. Okay, and then as far as shorts go, same shit. We're gonna get a lot of sellers trapped into the market here for sure, which would be nice. They'll win for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and put this at least here. They're going to win for a while, but in my opinion, just the supply and demand to me and such, older students probably know too. Once we tap into this extremely sexy demand here, I expect us to get some type of kickback. So from that point, instead of taking this first initial break below lows when we're so damn bullish, I'll just wait for that reaction to have newfound structure, and then take the break below that support. We still have a crazy range to come all the way down to London lows. Like, we can protect our position damn near at this point, and then we're good, bro. This is clean trading, clean price action. We just have to wait for it to form. So we got 2 minutes until session. I got NAS on the left-hand side, US 30 on the right-hand side. And it looks like we might take a session open break. So hopefully we don't get that fake out. And if we did, I got two of me, bro. Don't worry about it. I'm definitely going to take this as long as we don't break right now. So let me get ready. If you don't know what the do on is, come on, bro. Start recording. Damn, what a fat fucking candle here, huh? What a grab of lows. Holy shit. Before session open, too. Okay, session's open here. Session is open here. This is going to be quick. I don't have a buy stop in, so I'm just going to manually enter. Median of price is very close, so we're going to have just a bit of a very variable stop loss here, so just get ready for that. This is not going to be a strict 30-point stop loss. Yeah, median of price is right at this, bro, so we have to be a little cautious. But just stay with me. Do what I do, and you guys will be fine. Okay, and now, let's say that the support were to form. I would take the break below this low. I don't think it's going to happen. If it were to form, I think we're going to break above highs. But even so, bro, we break above highs and take out those buyers too, which will be us. We'll be taking the sell, so you guys got to be ready. Okay.
That shit clipped me in. I'm in.
I didn't have a buy stop, but I'm about to get in right now. All right, let's get it. We're recording? Yes. I'm in. Y'all better fucking be in this bitch. Yeah, was Angel, I swear, bro, if you got into sales, we're going to have a big issue, my brother. You're in trouble. Beautiful, beautiful fucking price action. We do have to expect once we come up to these London highs to potentially get some type of reaction, just so you guys know. But come on, bro. TP1 fucking destroyed here. TP1 absolutely destroyed. We could potentially get a reaction here. If you're nervous, go ahead and pull out some if you want. But beautiful fucking day so far. Big dubs in the chat, baby. Called that to the fucking T. Why is nobody clapping? Thank you, Scott. Appreciate you, bro. Inverse correlation going fucking crazy right now. Big dubs in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, that's a big, that's a quickie for sure. If we come all the way back down to entry, it's tough, bro. I'm going to pull out, though. There should be no reason why we come all the way back down here. In my opinion. Oh shit, the recording's kind of fucked. Beautiful, there we go. Okay, so we got that initial reaction. Hopefully this can just go now, bro. Sky loves that inverse correlation. Me too, bro. Shit nasty, bro. Shit nasty. On phone and trading on phone. I clapped. You didn't hear me? No, I heard you. I heard. My bad. I was just talking to the men, Christy. I know you're always clapping for me, fam. Dirty, dirty. It's kind of tough here too, because if we get taken out B, you got everybody stops to B. Actually, let me just put my manually. If I fuck around, it yeets me. I will take the rebreak back above highs for sure. Anybody take partials?
I did.
12 same. 1268.40. $1,268.40. You'll see the real either tomorrow or the next day. I'm still floating $420, $600, $650. You can feel the volume through the You can feel the volume through the candles. Hell yeah, bro. I felt that shit. Take out pre-New York lows and send it. You got to do a whole stream talking in the Indian accent. Nah, bro, it's very, very racist. Although that's coming from an Indian who said that. So do I get? Yeah, I've given, bro. Honestly, between 100 to 160 people the N pass. I want the I pass. It's 24 hours, bro. I'll respect the hell out of it. Look at us fucking sending it right now. $1,400 up. Let's get it. Yo, you said you're using 1 hour for training. Oh, my bad. Same thing. By the way, how you doing, Tunandum? You alright? I'm new to the game. Do you do these live streams often? I used to do it every single day, bro. What a fucking 5-minute close there, man. I used to do them every single day, bro. And then I started to transition away towards a paywall, so people have to pay me to watch me live, and that's what it is now. So yeah, I still live stream every single day, but only twice a week on YouTube, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then every single day of the week on Zoom, which is where most people are. We got 53 people in here right now. Holy shit! Okay, so I just got taken out, bro. I just got clipped. I got clipped there, and we got 4 minutes left. I got clipped. I'm out. Oh shit, let me stop this recording so I can show you. I'm out. London Lows is a bitch, bro. That's the, you can risk it and fucking hold on, or you can partial out, but I'm out. Look. Completely done. Okay, so now, this will fucking make me cry if it just taps me out and it continues higher. We have 3 minutes left, so I'm not just gonna take the re-break back above highs if we bust now. I will want this candle to close bearish, and then we can take the re-break for a secondary trade, risking that same amount. So then I either win or I win. I'll be up $200 for the day. If that trade ends up losing, or I'll be up like 4K for the day if that trade ends up winning. But it has to be on our terms, so give it a little bit here. My bad, y'all. Somebody muted me. Angel said, should I close the trade? Bro, this looks clean now. You're gonna be a fucking problem, dude. You're gonna ask me so much shit. You can close partials if you want, bro, but I think that you should just hold all the way up to TP at this point, in my opinion. We've already got the sweep below, so I think it's about to send it. I'm sure you'll be mad if it doesn't, but I would cook here. Whoever's still in, I would let it cook. I'm good, bro. Got kicked out the group. Wanted to say thank you for answering all my questions while I was there. You're a real one. Yeah, much love, brother, of course. I hope you did well, and if you want to join the group further, it's $65 a month. Just message me, bro. I got you. You're my guy. Chinenda makes everything easy because he actually asks questions and shit. TB2 destroyed for everybody, whoever's in. Good job. That fucking pisses me off, bro. It clipped me by the littlest bit, bro. 1K a day does not keep the pain away. Top BE on my top. Top BE on my top. I held on my personal, set BE in my personal. Same thing happened to me earlier. Yeah, King, that shit's annoying as fuck. Look at you, Angel, just cooking, bro. Literally just cooking, bro. Start getting ready to remove your position. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. When I said BB, yeah, she gone. That was it. That was it. We got a little partial and that was it. Look at Naz. The inverse correlation now giving us some type of hold here, so maybe this will do. But now let's say we were to take a break below lows, just to talk about it for a second. I mean, first of all, we're about to retrace the rest of this fucking move, but now we don't have a one-to-one to lows, bro. And we just have to accept that more often than not, exactly what just happened here is going to happen here. We'll break below lows, we'll get some mean, disgusting fucking wick to break lower, or to take out that initial position, and then it'll fly just like this. And so that's why I don't take these trades here. They're just really, really low probability for me. Too close to London lows, yeah. Yeah, man. Very good.
So, Janet, what's your daily goal?
What's my daily goal?
Yeah.
I don't really, I guess anywhere between 3 to 6K. Yeah, 3 to 6K.
On how big of an account? You don't mind me asking.
50K account, always 50K. It's at 61.5, so I'm probably about to withdraw. I got it all the way up to 66 last week, and I fucking just went a little ham yesterday, but always 50K. 50K, 50K. Anytime I get it up anywhere between 58 to 65, withdraw, go back down to baseline. That'll change. I'm gonna kind of go higher than that. Go ahead and pull out, Angel, or just pull out, bro. Pull out of your trade, Angel. You're pretty much at a 1 to 3. I'm gonna challenge myself and try to go up to 80, 100K range because I've been sitting at this for fucking 6 months. But yeah, 50K is where I'm comfortable at. Y'all gonna see. I'm like King saw in fucking February when I first tried to risk 3K per trade and shit. It's just a little. It's kind of weird. It's all the fucking emotions come back and shit. I've never been the guy to flip accounts and shit. I've always risked the same amount of money per every fucking trade. So every time I kind of excel, that shit gets a little tough for me. I'm out. All right, cool. Pain when you get clapped. Facts, bro. Yeah, it's just fast. It's this shit happens fast, bro. Winning 4K or winning 6K, 9K in 15 minutes feels great, but more often than not, it takes 3 times longer for this to fulfill than stop loss does. So I'm more often not losing thousands in 5 minutes, and it's just something I'm getting used to. Most of you guys, and TP3 just got smashed for y'all. Big dubs in the chat. Most of you guys don't know, but I just started trading indices and shit this year for one, but also, I guess not this year, middle of last year, but also what most of you guys don't know is I just started trading personal capital, bigger personal capital for the first time in my career, November last year, bro. I just started, so. Yep, I ain't an account flipper. I just placed the trade. Oh, yeah. Yeah, M used to be a GJ hoe. I did. I used to be a GJ whore. What you used to trade back then? What you used to trade back then? Size capital? When I first started, bro? Just $1,000 accounts. $500 to $1,000 accounts. I would treat it how a lot of people treat. Honestly, how I tried to get back to that middle of last year, to be honest, because I kind of fuck with. Yo, big fucking dubs in the chat, yo, for whoever the hell just stayed. Unfortunately, I didn't. Up 80 points. Thanks, sir. Yeah, I got you. 500 to 1,000, and then like I would have like 2 or 3 days to either blow that whole bitch or do something with it. That's how I used to trade, and it just didn't work out good for me at all. So obviously that's why I stopped it. I don't like
Hey, I mean,
the what's up, bro?
question. The 50 account that you mentioned, is that a funded account or is that your personal?
The what?
The 50K account that you're trading,
No,
is
that's
that a
my
funded
personal. This
account?
is my Gates personal account.
Gotcha.
Or I would never trade a fucking 50K prop firm account. Bro. Are you kidding me? Fuck, I look like play it.
Do you still have the funded accounts?
No,
Funded hero accounts?
no,
Because I know you blew one, but you said you got another one.
no. I blew two, so I've gotten three. I've made 20K off of, let's say, 4,500, 4,200. And no, I mean I'll hop back on, but I don't really care to trade prop firms right now, bro. It's not enough money for me, to be completely honest. Man, I'm less than $300 away. Yep. Us light skins are all big dogs, bro. It's true. Every light skin I know around me is at least 6 foot. Very handsome, pulls a lot of women, and the women light skins are at least 5'10", very beautiful, pulls a lot of men, and has a lot of money. It's LSM, bro. I don't know if it's like LSM is around my circle or if it's a real phenomenon that's going on, but it's like it's very, very serious right now. LSM is fucking strong in the world, and I'm proud to be here. It's a community. I almost changed my community name to LSM. Light skins love me, he said. That's crazy. Do we? I don't know if we do, brother. We'll pull a consensus after stream. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, more often than not, this is now out. Look what's going on with Nas, bro. The more often than not, they're not playing out, and Nas in my fucking favor for sure. You know, did not take this trade. A little bit riskier because we expect the opposite end reaction right here. Look at this bitch, bro. It's just doing its thing. We'll see though. We just grabbed low, so it's not true. We'll play the more often than not game. Laugh my ass off, the woman said away. LSM is taking over facts. Nas manipulating London session lows right now. Yeah, bro, clean. So beautiful. And then if this were to happen, you know, and then that next candle, yeah, look at this clean push. Next candle would open up bullish. I'll show you guys. You know, something like that. As the Wyans would say, type shit. Type shit. And the next one here. YNs, did I tell you? That's white people came up with the term YNs so they can use nigga without getting in trouble. Tell me that's not the truth. What's your strategy? Can you break it down? Yeah. So it's volume, bro. It's simply just volume using breakouts as a confluence. So we're trading during the exact same period of time, which is New York Stock Exchange open. We're trying to gather a bias before we go into entry time frames. Okay, so 4 hour, 1 hourly time frame. We're trying to answer two questions and the same two questions every single time. What are we currently reacting off of as far as the area of interest? Are we currently reacting off of 4 hour support or 4 hour resistance? Let's say we're reacting off of 4 hour support, which is bullish momentum. And then we're going to go to hourly time frame and try to find a trend. You know, if we're creating higher highs and higher lows, bullish trend, lower highs and lower lows, bearish trend. Let's say we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So now we have an extremely bullish sentiment. You know, we're reacting off of support and we're creating higher highs and higher lows. And then so when we go to our lower time frame, that is a bias that we're going to hold on to and try to execute based off of. We're open to opposite end trades too, but it needs to have a bit more confluence than trading with our bias. And so we go down to 5 minute time frame and mark out what we have going on as far as any liquidity that's potentially pulled. And then we're just adding in confluences, you know, a break of support resistance, a potential break or retest of a trend line, a manipulation of previous session highs and lows, and then that's it, those confluences. So all of these 6 confluences together, let's say we have a higher time frame that's reacting off of support, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, we're breaking out of a trend line, we're trading during volume, which we always are, which is only during stock exchange open, we're breaking above resistance, and previous session highs have already got taken out. This is a fucking nasty trade, bro. This is what we call a full confluence trade. Okay, all of these are lined up. It's a 100% trade, so we take the trade. Anything below that is fine as long as it's 3 or more confluences. So anything 3 or more, which obviously is a 50% trade, we'll go ahead and take the trade. But anything underneath that, I just simply won't take the trade. Lower probability setup, decent setup, higher probability setup, and then the highest probability setup if all of them are hit. And that is my system in a whole, is just confluence trading. That's BNB looks great, not in though. It doesn't look great at all. It's cooking, bro. Yeah, it's just not following suit. That was the poll here, and then it sent it. Like, fuck. Sorry, bro, but you just said you're using 1 hour for training when you use 4 hours today. Well, it sucks to suck, brother. Sucks to suck. 4 hours for an area of interest, bro. You just don't listen. I like when you fucking ask me questions because I can just be a little mean to you because you don't listen. But 4 hours for support resistance. So what is it reacting off of? Hourly is for trend. It never changes. Will never change. You can change it in your head, but it'll still be the same here. How to add the Zen Ultimate? The only way that you can get access to Zen Ultimate is by being in the mentorship. The mentorship costs $0.00 because it's currently shut down, so you cannot get access to the mentorship, which means unfortunately nobody can have access to the indicator unless you already have it. I'm sorry. It'll reopen back up at some point. I just gotta take care of. Yo, I got like 55 people, 50 people in here. You know, people are trying to get people are trying to become profitable. They got a lot going on. They need help, some one-on-ones and shit, and I gotta focus up on them instead of just continue. I don't have a team. You know, I tried to do the team route. I was gonna have Kevin in here being an educator and such. I like to do this shit on my own, bro. I don't need anybody educating the way that I teach and such. And then whenever it gets too overwhelming, this is what I do. I'll just shut it down, take care of my people, and then open it back up later on type of thing. But yeah, anyways, that doesn't matter. You don't need Zen Ultimate because a legend in the chat by the name of... Oh, he's not in here? Oh, Rebel isn't. He's always in here. By the name of Rebel Empire. He's not in the other chat. He's in the chat, in Zoom chat. He created indicators for you so you don't have to be in the mentorship and have to pay for it and all that shit. Completely free and the same exact thing. You just go to indicators and then type in these two, either ZenLab ATR, Fat Nigga Season, or you can type in ZenLab Checklist, Fat Nigga Season. And then once you put those on your shit, this is the same thing. You see? And then you have, you can mess with it too. Like if there's no two candle structure, take it off, and then they'll tell you here 83%. None of that, take it off. It'll tell you here it's 67%. That's a little slower because it's not Zen Ultimate, but it still works. And then ATR is here. So all I use ATR for is to see how much volume is in during the current period. Anywhere between like 15 to 55 is normal volume within the day. And so we use the same exact stop loss as long as it's 15 to 55. But bro, if it pops above that, like 60 and above, that would show that it is a higher volume day and there needs to be a bit of a bigger stop loss to be within the volume for the day. And so that's why you see, every time we get into position, even though you don't really see our stops below lows and shit like that, very prevalent places that most people put their stops, it's always within accordance of volume. Like it looks the same as all of these previous like 20 candles because it's the exact settings to do so. We're trading within that current range. And so if price were to go opposite end of that current range, probably a good indication to get out of the trade. We're not correct with the direction. And obviously if it continue onwards, a good indication we can make some higher R. So hope that makes sense to you, pal. I'm still here though, fam. Yeah, you the man, bro. Appreciate you. 1.5% on my 200K after almost blowing it. Feels great to grind it back. Yeah, legend, bro. How many of those trades are mine, Brandon? Sorry, bro, but you said you're... Oh, all good, bro. I already read that. I'm still here. Are you taking buys if we close bearish right now in US30? Nah, bro. Game is over. We've already won. We parceled out. This is probably already a 200-point range. Yep, 200-point range. The same thing every day. You guys hear me say the same shit. No more trades. 1 to 3 on US and NAS. Done for the day. Raymond is on fire, bro. Proud of you, brother. Look at NAS, bro. She gone.
Yep, that bitch is sending it.
Hi, Emma. Can you check the P70 chat, please? Yeah, I got you, bro. You got me nervous here. I'm about to go look right now. Yeah, but what other questions you guys got, YouTube? What's up? We about to get up out of here. I'm gonna go hang with Zoom. If you guys want to join in, link is down in the description. It's $65 a month. If you guys need a funded account, you want to skip the challenge phase and go directly into funded, you guys only have a couple days left. 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Okay, you have a little bit. You have 10 days left to purchase an account from me. At the end of July, the promo ends. But the current promo is every funded account purchase gets a free month in my trade room. So you're getting the funded account, and then you can take the best trades on earth, which is kind of badass. So are we reacting off of a 4-hour support on US 30? Yes, sir. Exactly, my brother. Yes, we are. Still holding US 30 to 30-minute fair value gap. Hell yeah. You have many of them, bro. You already just filled in this one. If you're talking about the hourly, though, you probably haven't even filled in half of it yet. Oh, it's not. It's 4 hour. Oh, nope. It's just hourly. It's a while away. I don't trade fair value gaps, bro, but I understand them. No, I didn't, Sky. I just fucking forgot. This fucking guy. Leave it to me, bro. Leave it to me. We regret to inform you that your account is expired, dude. Oh, god damn it. Did you trade it at all? Any trades? Alright, I thought so. Alright, I got you. Can you send me your account number? John Paul did the same shit. What y'all scared of? 15 days. Yeah, just send me the account number, bro. I got you. 10 out of 10 live. 1 sec. We got an Emmett clone in the group. No way. What is your already in this trader? What is your already? I'm late. Did y'all catch the dirty 30 buys? Of course we did, bro. Come on now. Of course you did. Look at that fucking shit. Discarded. It's his note writer. Oh yeah, nah. He said discarded. Yeah, it's the note taker. That's funny as shit. Got me stressed out over here. When do you say, hey, do you let my, all right, hey, do I need to let my bank account know I'm connecting Gates FX to my checking account number or no? It's dependent on how much they're tired of you, bro. Like, when I first started trading and shit, all of this, like, they're just strong on security. You know, it's like decline, decline, decline. You gotta, it's a third party. It's coming from crypto. Something's bad, bad, bad. Decline, decline. You have to call the bank, accept the charges, redo it again and shit. Insane, you know? And like now, for some reason, bro, they're like, bro, you want to just keep throwing your money or whatever the fuck these weird websites are, go ahead, bro. So anytime I buy crypto off anything, deposit it into any broker, buy a prop firm account, it's a big old yes for me, bro. They don't even ask me anymore. So potentially, you know, if it's you know, a lot of international businesses, if they operate internationally and such, your bank account will try to flag it to obviously prevent you from dealing with fraud and such, but it's completely normal. How many funded accounts can I purchase? There's a limit? No, there's no limit, bro. The sky's the limit, my brother. You can have $1 million in funding, up to $1 million max in funding, but you can have 100 million in accounts. You just can't trade them. You know, it has to be interchangeably. When do you say you're not when you say you're not reacting off of a support, when you say you're not reacting off of support, if resistance anymore, is it by a number of points or if we make an impulsive leg? One more time, brother. Can you rewrite that? Who won the challenge? I'm going through later on. I'm pretty sure Arthur and Jove did, though. I'm pretty sure. Jove got cooked on the gate side, but I think he won the prop firm side. SoCal, though. Arthur number 2, or I guess number 1. You number 1, bro. My bad. SoCal came in hot. And then Luke did too, bro. Luke is at like 10%. SoCal is... Oh yeah, SoCal might have the Gates effects in the back, to be honest. Just so I know if you got a trade agent session to get this dub. I wonder if you did. Great, I'm waiting for my next paycheck to get an account from you, so be ready. I'm ready, brother. Gotta get in school run. Gonna hit you up about it. All right, take care, brother. Enjoy yourself. I didn't lost a little bit. Yeah, you fucker. That was good of me to do that. I'm about to get another 50K futures account and trade too. Hell yeah. Lie. You said we are reacting off of 4-hour resistance right now, but we have already made a move away from that resistance zone. So in my head, I'm like, we aren't reacting off of it anymore. Chin and dumb, why are you so serious, bro? Look at this. What are we current 4-hour time frame? Without me saying anything and without you giving any additional anything, what are we currently reacting off of, brother? Support or resistance? You tell me. Regardless of what I said before, let's have you answer this question. What are we currently reacting off of? Support or resistance? And we'll see where you go from here. You didn't respond, bro. Left me on suspense. I fuck with that shit. We reacting off of pal. Support. I meant support, not resistance. All right, now I'm even more confused. Support. I meant support. You said we're reacting off 4-hour support right now, but we have already made a move away from the resistance. We made a move away from what resistance? We never even made it up there. It's all the way up here, bro. There's no resistance down here. Yeah, you know how we always speak about it's a bird's eye view, like sitting down here. This is bird's eye view because this area can be down here or potentially up here. It's this whole area of reaction. Definitely not up here. The only area of reaction is up here. This is it. Every time we come up to these ultimate highs, we react away. We have not came up to resistance yet. If you want to battle, bro, we can battle, bro. I'm just kidding. Just joking. Support, I meant support, not resistance. You should bring him on stream. I'm down, bro. Chinanda message me. We'll put you on stream right now. Bro, you put Chinanda on to me. He just so you know, he's been on many streams. He's just in the other mentorship. He's in Currency Cave mentorship, which I do over there too. Not in that mentorship. We'll be here. If I let Chinanda on right now, we're gonna be here for another 3 hours, bro. I'm just kidding. A little bit. You didn't respond, bro. When I get the bread, I'll join. No, you good, bro. Just message me. However the hell you message me, message me. All right, Pillar 70 chat. Back to you, Gianna. Oh, you guys are asked, Coach, we figure great call. Hope you're still able to upload the recording. See how recording on the round, so you can come. Coaching call was done. Yeah, Gianna, you guys only had the 3 calls, bro. That was the one, weren't you? I thought you were there for the last call. My internet cut out, bro. We had a huge thunderstorm during the call. I swear you were there. Maybe you weren't. My shit cut out, but all my power shut off and shit. And so when it came back on, recording is gone. Yeah, I put it right there. Weather took me offline. Wild storm here. See you all for coaching Carl tomorrow if you can come. Can you send a link so we can rewatch it? Oh, damn. Unfortunately, when it ended from the storm, I don't think the file was saved unless... The file did not save. Do you guys want a... But ours is gone due to the storm. My bad, player. I know it's annoying as fuck, dude. Gotta pay them internet bills. I know, bro. I know, bro. I call them every fucking week. Please, just a couple more days. US 30 is gonna pay this time. I know it. I can feel it. Do you think trading in person with your student in an office will help? I think it will because you can't hide anything. What is the difference between this here? Like, what do you think you being a student, it would be benefit for you to be sitting right next to me than you being right here right now? You know? Like, what can't be hidden? All of my accounts are always shown to you guys. I feel like every day I put my fucking account up. And then whatever you don't see on here, I put reel, every reel, I have a reel of every fucking trade I take. I make a reel, every 100% of them, again. And then, yeah, unless you just want to fucking, bro, if you just want to hang out, bro, just say that. Be honest. I'm here for you. Hey, Emma, do the bank hold your deposit if they see you wanting to deposit a big amounts too? I assume you're asking if the crypto exchange holds my deposit, if it's a big deposit. It's not that, bro. It's not a big, it has nothing to do with for the most part, bigger deposit. It depends on what your limits are for that exchange, and your relationship with them. Like literally just like a credit card. You know, when you first get a credit card, like, oh, here's $200. You can fuck around with $200. And you're like, yo, bro, I pay my shit on time and I'm going to give you guys more money. And they're like, all right, here's $1,000, you know? Same thing with Coinbase. Like, hey, you can only deposit 5K right now. You keep depositing and shit. And they're like, all right, bro, you can go ahead and deposit 50K. And so now I'm up. I don't know where I'm at, but there's no holds on anything, bro. You guys send here. Let's test it. I'll put my wallet address in the link. One of you guys send me like $100, $1,000, whatever, and then I'll show you how fast it comes into my account, bro. Like it's really good relationship I have with them. Rewatch entry and exits and how you took the setup. I study your reels. Oh, that's fire, and they're fucking fire, bro. At least somebody does. I love the little layout I have for that shit. Started following you. Much love, Tyweezy. I'm trying to kick it, G. Come kick it, player. Ooh. Let me post his wallet address now. Yeah, Raymond. Raymond's got my address, so we'll go ahead and send it out, and you guys will just do we'll do it from there. Yeah, don't you have to let Coinbase know if you have an incoming amount of money, like a big amount? No. What are you guys talking about? Coming from you, Brandon, is crazy, bro. All right, let me get up off here, bro. See you guys later. Peace. I'm just kidding. I'm chilling for a second. Hello. What is the win rate of your strategy? Nice strat, though. I appreciate you, Eve Tuts. We have progressively maintained above a 65% win rate for the past 4 years. When I say we, I'm talking about all of us together in this YouTube or on Zoom. We've done every last trade together 9 times out of 10. Some months are better, 75, 80%. I don't know if I went potentially, I think like 82% is my biggest month. But yeah, progressively, 4 years straight. You can go into the YouTube section of this, 2 years, or 2.5, maybe even 3 years of it. If you go into the live section of my YouTube channel, you can watch some of them if you would like to. I highly suggest against it. That's a lot of fucking work. I just show up every day with us, bro. If you can, $65 a month every day, but if not, just Tuesdays and Thursdays for sure. Wow, I should watch this to pass prop. Yeah, I mean, it'll be a little tough for you just because you're, solid to play the mechanics of my system, but you're only playing the mechanics of my system 40% of the time. The other 60% is done elsewhere in a Zoom chat. Here, because I'm not on YouTube every day, so potentially, brother. You want to play the probabilities of my scouts, you might want to play the probabilities of the entire week's worth. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Take care, Ivan. Made 340 today. Go put that shit in the group, bro. Testimonials, reviews, profits. I want to see it. I didn't even see that. What did you say? Thank God I'll see you later in the profit section. Do you use Mamba Strat? I do not use Mamba Strat. But we use a lot of, we use entry tactics, yes. Me and Mamba, damn near exact the same with entry tactics. It's just the active trade management itself. Active trade management is very different from me, him, and my other buddy Luca as well. Very different from each other. He's more so a lower R to R trader, so he's down to 1-to-1, 1-to-0.5. He'll pull out type of thing based upon reaction. But it'll also be 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-5 trader. If there's heavy volume, Mamba will definitely stay in. But I'm more I don't that's a bit too much intuition for my intuitional trading for myself. I like to be very mechanical and rule based. So it's just kind of doing the same thing every single day, unless for an instance like this, reach above London highs, it's like, all right, I can grab some out. I already know what's probably going to happen, or I can hold on and kind of accept that and try to go for high RR and potentially make nothing. I decided to pull half of that position out. I got clipped, and then, there's some situational things for sure for myself, and I definitely feel that, to be honest with you, more, the past potentially past like 4 or 5 months than I ever had in my entire trading career. But for anybody struggling or new, like we always talk about, bro, I'm very against trying to add intuition into your trading when you simply don't have any in the first place. It takes time. And intuitional trading and emotional trading, there's a fine line in between the two. And I think a lot of people get that shit confused. Yeah. And so while you're starting out and acquiring data as mechanical as you can, as rule-based as you can, and then later on down the road, which, pretty much is where I'm at now, you can actually start to add intuitional bias into it, just because we can you imagine? I mean, I've seen the reaction of the market during the same exact period of time for 10 fucking years. 10 years. Definitely have potentially some intuition that can be a benefit to me. Almost ready to drop this day job. Big W's later. That's what I'm talking about, Taylor. That's huge, bro. That's fucking awesome. Good to hear that shit, Joe. Enjoy your day. Thanks for the breakdown this morning. Banging trade. Have a good day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Much love, Shazam. Peace. What's your opinion about... Okay, let's go back up. Yeah, do you use Mama's shot? Yeah, Mamba the Goat, though. He's the man. He's the fucking guy. Yo Wang 1 Sith. A fun fact that you probably didn't know is I teach his mentorship on his side. So I teach his exact strategy to all of his students. Very similar. Till this day. Right now I do it. I don't even know how Dollar trades anymore. Does he still do 15 to 30 minute breakouts? I haven't talked to Dollar about trading in a little bit, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, he's still trading breakouts for sure, yes. Got to get in that Zen Lab for the sauce. Facts, my brother. Uh-oh, Brittany's back in to make some money. What's your opinion about people talk that this time is altcoin time? What's your opinion about people's talk that this time is altcoin time? I think that this time is as much altcoin time as 2 years ago was NFT time. Take that however you want to take it. I don't believe in none of that bullshit. And it's just tough, bro. Every time, like, you gotta, I hate crypto, bro. I hate crypto. Hate it. The transactions suck. It's like it's like fucking clicking a button to decide your fate and doing it with your eyes closed and just praying to God that it ends. It's like, oh, well, this looks good. Bink. And then it's like, oh shit, I fucking forgot one number. My money's gone in the middle of nowhere forever. It's like, all right, well, thank God this is a normal business. So let me call support so I can get my money back. And can't call support. Can't get no money back. Money's fucking gone. Left in the whoever the fuck, who knows. I think that's terrible, bro. I would hate for crypto to be the, if we do switch to a one world currency type crazy shit like that, one world government, pray to God that it's not crypto. Pray to God. Yeah, crypto got too much going on. Then the gas fees, bro. It's like this dude asked me for a funded account, right? I said, all right, sure. I'll give you a funded account. I said, I do USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Which one you want to do? He said, I have USDT, but it's on the Tron network, not Ethereum network, which maybe some of you guys know, maybe you don't know. These currencies could potentially be on different networks. Solana network, fucking Tron network, and Ethereum network. I have Ethereum network, wallet, not a Solana net. Well, I have a Solana wallet too, but not a Tron network wallet. Well, in order to move one crypto to another wallet, you need what's called gas fees. And whatever network it's on, whether it's Solana network, Ethereum network, or Tron network, you need that type of crypto in order to remove the crypto from one wallet to another. Yeah, this is fucking dumb, isn't it? And so I was like, yeah, fuck it, go ahead, bro. You can send me the USDT Tron. I'll figure it out later on. I'll just convert it and send it to my wallet, whatever. And so the fucking guy sends it to me. I open up an account on the Tron network. He sends me USDT, bro. Bro, I can't get it out. I can't get it out. I need Tron in order to get it out. It's like, all right, you got to buy Tron. It's like, let me buy Tron. Go to buy Tron with Apple Pay. Apple Pay won't let me buy Tron. Why can't I buy Tron? Something about you can't buy it here in the States or some shit. I need to do whatever the fuck, whatever. And then so there's just $450 sitting into an account that I've completely given up on. That bitch is just gone. It's like, I wish Ahmad was in here. Ahmad, are you in here, bro?
Why don't you convert it to BTC
Why don't
or
what?
something?
Why
That
don't
happened
what?
to me, and I was able to get it out.
To USD. Okay, so that's what you think, right? So this is what I'm talking about. In order for you to convert USDT into USDC, you need Tron and are able to do so. It's called a gas fee. You have to pay your
Right.
dues to fucking do it. Well, in order to buy Tron, I have to buy Tron first, and for some reason it won't let me buy Tron. But I would do the same. I can take it out of my wallets too, but it needs to be it needs to be like done. I don't, it doesn't make any sense to me at all. It's very retarded. Send me all the login info. I'll get it out for you. I got you, King. I know you're laugh allowing, but I definitely trust you. I would definitely do so. We'll split it half and half. You can have half of it. You take it out, you can have half of it. Deal? Watch the path for. I'll be sure to get in. I don't even know how dollar trades. Got to get that. What's your opinion on people talk altcoins suck? What's your Sonar Lab session settings? The first 3 hours of session. Here, just take it. You're at the same time zone as me, so just take it. Let me know when you're ready for me to scroll down, bro. Sheesh, I'm capping. Don't even know how. Yeah. It's fucking Canadians. They don't know anything, dude. I'm an old dog. Crypto was just a test for us to adapt to the new system of money. No, bro. It's not a test. We're not adapting to no new source of money. The U.S. is going to remain the standard of currency, and that's just that. That's what we do. We fucking bully everything. Nothing's going to change. Yeah, I'm going to get it out of that Tron network. Sure you are. Sure you are, bro. Heard that one before. It's just pissing me off, bro. It just sits there. I think Brittany gave me an idea though. What if I try to not take it off of this network, and what if I just sold here? Why did I not think of that?
Of course, just so and transfer.
Oh yeah, because you have to sell with MoonPay. Yeah, that's right. You have to sell with MoonPay,
Yeah.
and then I have to enter in my address.
Yeah, of course, you gotta put your info in there.
You forget this shit. I mean, dude, I haven't done it on Coinbase in 10 years, bro.
Then
As well, and on the Exodus account. And I figured it out. I'll have to look back on it, but there's a way to get it out without there's a way to convert it and then send it over again. But I forgot how I did it because it's been a little while. But
Oh, you had to do it too. Oh.
yeah, I had to do it, and I did it. That's why I was like, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too.
I'll be honest, I just gave up on the shit. I was
You
like,
just
it ain't
giving
fucking
up.
worth it, yo. Somebody can have that shit. Y'all want to go over wrestle with it?
Money.
He said, Britt, don't speak too loud. The teacher gonna get mad at you. You chill out, bro. She about to tell you she's a grown ass woman. She's at work.
Somebody might have got snapped on.
Yeah, facts. Oh shit! I tried that play, bro, a couple weeks ago. I found out real quick. I think this is actually working though. I think I'm just retarded. I never thought of. Just kept thinking about sending it to my wallet instead of just taking it out of here. This phone number is active on a number account. You can log into the existing account. Oh, good thing I have a million fucking phones. 810 813-291-1032. Wait, what is it? 281-330-8004. Perfect.
The teacher gonna put your desk in the hallway. I'm dead.
Yeah, you guys want my number? Anybody? 281
Nah.
330 8004. Verify yourself. 813-291-1032. Is that not it? 813-291-1032. 813-291-1032. That is me. Oh, that's the other phone. I don't even know this number. I'm not gonna lie. This is 290-1479. 290-1479. 1 second, y'all. Give me a second. We're not trading anymore. I'm just chilling here, just so everybody knows. Unless I am. You never know. I say that shit, but I will.
Okay.
290-1479. 290-1479. Damn, I sent it to the wrong fucking phone. But this is the shit, you know, why is it, this shit's dumb, bro. What a waste of time. Wow, look at Naz here. Incredible.
Yeah. I got an eye on her.
Incredible trades today. Enter your verification now. 881429. Yeah, I think we might have figured this shit out, yo. Social security number?
Yeah, let me get that.
I hate that shit, bro.
We got the phone number. We got the social. Now we just
It is
need the
MoonPay,
address.
though. MoonPay is supposedly very secure, so.
They are. I've been using them for a minute.
Have you ever had anything fraud happen to you before, bro?
Nah.
Don't lie, bro.
It's all calculated.
I thought you were about to say yes, so I could tell you it's fucking MoonPay. Me neither, though.
Nah,
I've
nah.
never had no fraudulent shit. Add a withdrawal?
The only two that I use is MoonPay and Simplex.
Dude, are you fucking
Yeah.
kidding me? Is that actually that easy, though? One
Yeah.
second.
MoonPay doesn't suck at withdrawal. It takes like less than 5 minutes. 20 minutes max, depending on how much you withdraw.
Wow, that's crazy. I fucking hate sending it to this account, though.
Just make sure you type the address correctly.
Bro, if this gets lost in midair, I would just be happy that I don't have to see it anymore so I can move on with my life, for being honest. It's fucking $400. Who gives a shit?
Make sure you check the first three and the last three, like digit things. So you make sure you're spending all of it.
On my card? Oh, you're talking about on the fucking wallet address?
Yeah, the address.
I know, that shit's dumb. All that shit is dumb. Why can't it just
Take
be
a
a normal
screenshot.
thing? Why can't you set your wallet address to like how we're able to set passwords or usernames, and then if the username is taken, you just have to set a new one? Why can't you do that for the wallet address? You know, I could make mine ZenLab Capital Ethereum or something, you know? They got to do all these crazy numbers. Sorry, we only accept Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro cards at present. I have a MasterCard that I just put into here. And let me make sure there's none of my shit on here. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Look at this, Joe. Tell me not. All right? It says that they currently only accept MasterCard, okay? That's what the red says. What type of card is that right there that I put in?
Try another master.
It's a fucking MasterCard, bro. Like, what are we talking about here? I'd only have Amexes. That's all I have. And nobody fucking takes Amex. I have
Feel
a
that.
Cash App card. Look, this shit's gangster. It
Got my
says
shit
Zen.
right here, dog.
It says Zen Lab on it, you see?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
that's just dope.
And I have an Apple Card. Apple Card doesn't have numbers on it though. It's fucking weird. It literally says not supported. Oh, use your Venmo account? Continue to Venmo.
Oh look, Emmett. I told your ass I was bald, bro.
Holy shit, you are. Only on the top side though, bro. That's
Yeah, bro.
Okay, we're gonna dye the beard green. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get fired too.
No, I know. Fuck it, bro. If you get the payout, it's worth it.
I'm sorry, but you cannot use this Venmo account with MoonPay. This is what I'm talking about, bro.
Is there any other providers besides MoonPay?
Brother, use your Cash App card.
Does it have loaders on it? Oh, it does. It's a Visa too. Let's try this
Of
shit.
course it does.
I have mine right here. I'm looking at it. I'm like, oh, what the fuck?
And that's a Visa too. Yeah, we can try that one. 4031.
Some nigga said I only got Amex.
These shit.
That's how
Nobody
it be.
takes Amex. Like that, it's supposed to sound like a flex, but it's not. Nobody takes that shit. Amex is only for traders to flex to motherfuckers that they have bread. But anything else, is just,
Yeah.
0360 363.
It'd be mad weird when you go somewhere. They're like, yeah, we don't take Amex. Oh fuck.
It's like, well, guess you don't take me, brother.
I guess you're fucking broke.
Checking your card number indicates your transaction is likely to fail. Please try another card or payment info.
This boy is mad as fuck.
Like, what does that even mean? You get what I'm saying? What the fuck kind of bullshit? I don't have any more cards.
You gotta have multiple bank accounts.
I mean, I have bank accounts. I have a lot of bank accounts.
Shit, just try all the cards until one works.
Mercury I can try instead. Sell method. Isn't that something though? What a terrible MoonPay shit. Can you not use MoonPay in America?
What do you mean you can't use MoonPay in America? That's what it says?
I'm gonna ask. It keeps denying my cards. Why?
Sometimes it's because of the location that they're in.
What if these are all? What if did I use all business cards? Is a Cash App card a business card? Ah.
Oh, your shit's a business card?
If it's a Cash App
Hell
business.
yeah, all money coming in is a business money.
That's some shit.
I'm way about to rage quit. You don't even know what to do anymore. He went to the bank.
Boy walked all the way to the bank. God damn.
That boy said, fuck the car. US 30 doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do right now. That boy went to get all the cards.
All of them. So now if any of these bitches don't work, bro, then I'm fucking done, dude. We have.
Bro, just send me a picture of all of them. I got you. Just
Yeah, I got. Yeah, I'm sending it to. I'm gonna blast it to all you guys so you guys can help me out. 10 nights is
Shit,
better than one.
you need help, man. You know I got you.
For anybody who has a life, you can go ahead and leave stream because we're not doing anything but fucking with this card. But if you don't have a life, this is the perfect place to be. That's the MoonPay live support. I have a Visa card with $0, perfect for a withdrawal. Hell yeah, bro. I used to have one of those back in my day. One of those $0 cards. Add a withdrawal method. All right, this is a personal account. And it has a dog on the front of it. Two things that I don't like. I was pissed at that shit. I lost my card, bro. And sent for a replacement. And they sent me a dog card that I did not ask for. Yeah, I may have dogs, but I'm not a dog person.
you like cats?
I fuck with cats. I got 2 of them.
Okay.
About to say, because if you don't
It
like
just
cats
took
or
$1
dogs-
from me. They just took $1 from me.
It's probably not.
It just says
authorization
MoonPay,
hold.
Trust Wallet, Delaware, $1.80.
That's like the verification process,
They're
bro.
verifying you, bro. You've never transferred crypto before?
Yeah, they verify you once. You verify you once you fucking active. I literally just put my card in, and then I get a notification that says they took $1.80 from me.
Making sure you're real.
They gotta make sure you're not a
MoonPay,
bot.
look at that. So, and this is what I'm talking about with crypto, bro. It's fucking $443.11. Ecosystem fee is $4.43. What the fuck is ecosystem? And then $19.94 for the MoonPay fee. You know, so
Your
it's
digital
like,
footprint is fucking up the environment, bro.
yes, that's like 4, that's 5, that's like 7% fees. I guess it's not that crazy, actually. It is crazy,
That's not
but it's
that
not
bad.
crazy for
That-
crypto.
Bro, it's not that bad. I paid like 16% slippage just to fucking transfer.
Oh no, that's you and your meme coin. But I tried that.
They're
fucking
not
withdrawal
meme
scam.
coins.
It's terrible. To
We
complete
just
your
have different
transaction,
wallets.
please send us your crypto. Oh, you have to send it to MoonPay. I get it. Yeah, no, answer your question. No, I've never done any of this weak ass shit with crypto. 100% never. Out of the bajillion dollars I've removed from crypto, trading or not, no, I've never dealt with anything even remotely close to this retarded shit. Unless I was doing meme coin trading, and it's you deal with Pancake Swap and all this dumbass shit. It's disgusting.
Uniswap, Pancake Swap.
You don't have enough Tron to cover network fees. So here we are back at it again. If I want to withdraw, I still have to.
Bro, just buy the Tron that it tells you to buy.
Yeah, but
Is
now I
wha-
can buy Tron. Now we understand. I was just simply trying to do this on a business card, and that's why it wasn't allowing me to do so. And so now that we have a personal card hooked up into this, I can do whatever I want. It should allow me to do TRX now. Fucking finally. That was the issue. And I dealt with the same thing in Coinbase too. I just forgot. It's been years, bro. And so everybody understand this. So whenever you're trying to deposit crypto to any degree, because it's going to happen on Coinbase too, if it is a business card, it will simply not go through. It has to be a personal card. Period. You're welcome. Deposit from your exchange by direct transfer from your account.
Yeah. He said once he cashed out, free giveaway.
Yeah, that's it, bro. For sure.
Word on the street.
You know, and then now it's like, look at this. Now I have to spend $30 in order to get the Tron to sell it. So now I'm in the hole, you know, $20 from MoonPay, $5 from whatever, and then $30 to pay for the TRX. It's like, bro, imagine it. Just imagine if I was like needing this fucking bread, bro. I just like think of everybody else too. It's like they're just dying to get their fucking money and they have no idea what to do. And then by the time it gets to their bank account, it's like $200. And now you guys understand. I was like, bro, y'all fucking take this shit, bro. Shit's crazy. Make sure you photograph both sides. and leave me your 30 seconds. We'll be refunded in a week. It's a test, and then you transfer it to the Coinbase. Yeah, I understand. I totally refund. Y'all act like, bro. Y'all act like y'all motherfuckers act out here. Y'all getting withdrawals and shit, bro. Remember, that's me who gets withdrawals, not you, bitch.
The crypto
Fuck
withdrawals.
out of here. Why y'all trying to call me out on my shit? That's crazy. Yo. Wait, hold on, bro. Y'all try to let's really take it back one time. I'm the guy who gets paid out all the time, bro. Remember me, the one you're listening to. Fuck out of here, bro. They sell your orders, market makers. Naz was crazy today. I'll get the session tomorrow. Send me your social. I will do it for you. All right, are we still on YouTube? Oh shit, we are. In regards to a time frame. Yeah, I'm definitely trying to figure this out though before I get off here. I feel like it would be the W for the day, you know? For all of us. $1,100 plus a nice little
Withdraw.
250 on top. Main wallet's just $450. Can you buy crypto off of Trust Wallet?
Yes.
You can buy crypto fund.
That's what I use. I use Trust. That's my personal main wallet.
Buy crypto. And then I think the lowest that I can buy is 30. Which is actually double the amount of TRX that I need. Isn't that kind of sad?
30?
Mm-hmm.
On Trust?
On no, on Apple Pay. So what if I didn't do Apple Pay and I did MoonPay?
It should be less.
Apple Pay with MoonPay? No, we just want to do MoonPay, bro. And then MoonPay should already have my card. Wow, Fire, we actually figured this out, y'all. That's actually crazy. We're going to do this one here. To protect your funds, we've created a small transaction on your card. This shit's annoying too. Coinbase does this dumbass shit too. Where you have to tell what the number is. I like C-Wallet better. Coinbase is better than all of this shit. It's so funny people talk so much shit about Coinbase. Coinbase shit's on these systems for sure. Hardcore.
Shit. Coinbase Pro is the best.
1.80 I think is what it is. Yes, buying XRP. Processing your payment. Oh my God, it's working, bro. We're winners.
You use your card this time instead of Apple
It just it gotta be personal card, bro. Yeah, gotta be personal.
Yep.
413263. Your order. We did it. Woo! Okay, we're preparing to send TRX to your wallet, and then you'll receive TRX. We did it. Good job, everyone. However long that takes, maybe a couple minutes, maybe a couple hours, depends on the day, because that's what crypto is. Ethereum, oh, it only took a minute and 30 seconds, and then you send it again an hour later. Oh, it only took 4 fucking hours? That's crypto. Wemit. Big dubs in the chat, Joe. Big dubs in the chat. If you guys put dubs in the chat right now, I'll send another trade. You don't put dubs in the chat, I'm out this bitch. 5, 4. Wow, that's awesome. W. Big dubs. It's just here in the U.S. outside U.S. other exchanges don't care about verification. You would be surprised. Nah, bro. I think you would be surprised.
US
Going to
30s
another.
pretty
Have you
nice.
went to other countries, Tony? Have you ever tried to access the internet in other countries, Tony? It's a bitch, bro. VPN to the day I die. Gotta put that bust down Apple Watch in real quick. I'm gonna do that, bro. Next time we go out to the club, I'm gonna wear this bitch. You know when they do those videos where we put all of our watches in and dump alcohol in there?
Oh yeah. I thought Apple Watch.
Let me know I get you a watch, bro.
This is nasty, bro. I don't need no more watches, bro.
Hey, Gene is a
I'm
watch
good.
guy. Let me tell you.
Huh?
Gene is the watch guy. He's a watch golf.
You're a watch guy?
1000%.
I need a Richard Millie.
Huh?
I need a Richard Millie.
Don't fuck with me. I really got a guy that can really get you it.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not with the Richard Mille shits, my brother. I think they're the ugliest fucking watches ever created. It looked like we brought it back to. I always say like when I see and no shit, they're great. You know, whoever has a real
looks like
one is
a
fucking
G-Shock.
incredibly wealthy. But they look like the
gotta
claw machine, bro. You go to a claw machine at fucking Dave and Buster's, and you walk in and boom, you grab the watch, it brings it up and drops it in, and it would be an RM. You know, like that's how I see them at.
I would fucking steal that fucking machine. I'll put it up on my back, dog. You got no idea. I'll throw that bitch on my back. We out.
Nas back to open? Nah, bro. That's all the way up here, my brother. I ain't even halfway there yet. All right,
Yeah,
y'all, I'm
bro.
going to go to the gym. It's been good hanging out with you guys. Richard Mille is trashy as trash. Even the name is a joke. Oh, damn. Rich millionaire. Oh, shit. That's not what it is.
Rich millionaire.
I didn't know that.
Rich.
I need a Richard Philly. Yeah, I'm sure I'm just throwing shade, but like to spend fucking a house on a plastic band, very
kinda
weird
crazy.
to me, you know?
Very
Let's buy a
crazy.
house and your fucking watch is gonna be blue or purple or fucking red, you know? Rather go get a G-Shock.
G-shit.
I like my
G-Shock.
plain Jane. I think I'm gonna, now that I got the chain, I gotta go get me a little bust down and be as ignorant as I possibly fucking can. But I like the plain Jane, bro. Two-tone Rolex. It's classy. You can wear it anywhere. You can pour
yeah.
alcohol on it in the club. Why do
yeah.
people do that shit, bro? It's all sticky and shit the next day.
For real.
Don't forget the Florida Boy gold grills. Facts, yeah. The two-tone fucking Rolly with the gold grills, bro, would be hard.
Hell yeah.
So you like Rolex?
Yeah, I like Rolex.
I like Pateks. I like Pateks and Richard Milles.
Oh yeah, you like expensive shit. Yeah, you better learn how to motherfucking trade, bro. I'm a hippie ass motherfucker, bro. I like functionality. So when we're creating content, I will wear the Rolex, but 9 times out of 10, anywhere else I go, I will always have this on. I like to count my steps. I like to see how many calories I'm burning and shit. And when I go to the gym, I like to I like to see all
Get
that
on
shit, bro.
steak.
I like to fuck with my heart rate. You can't do none of that shit. With mine,
Oh
I have
my
a
God.
diving watch,
Talking
so
about
I can I can set it and then dive and then come back up and see how long I've been underneath water. We're like, ooh, big fucking deal. The Apple can do that shit times a million, you know? So it's just like it's a trader stunt, bro. I never, like, most of you guys really don't understand my life as a hippie ass motherfucker. You know, before I hopped on here, my hair was down to my belly button. I fucking smoked weed and did shrooms and went to raves with my girl, bro. Still, that's all I do. Still, same shit.
I knew it.
Same shit.
Ain't that change, baby?
Just the hair. Just the hair.
100% humble. Yeah, so all the extra shit, spending fucking 100,000 on a watch, even 10,000 on a watch. My girl even said that I'm acting out of character by buying my fucking, bro. I have a car on my neck. That's the most ignorant shit I've ever said in my life. It's raw shit, but it's not. It really does not me. Like I'm not that guy heavy. I'm sure I got a little influence from Mamba for sure. He's got 100 chains, so I need to be one. Going to hang out with other niggas in Orlando. I'm like, damn, bro, I'm standing around. These dudes got these big ass fucking pendants and shit. And I'm like, damn,
Bro,
nigga, gotta get
Imagine
me up.
in Miami is even worse.
What's that?
In Miami is even worse.
Yeah, Miami's not as bad as Tampa, bro. Ybor City in Tampa is insane with the chains and shit. None of it's real, so I know everybody's bullshit and shit, but it's like every fucking dude has a chain. Like you go out there,
Bro,
you
I
don't
went
even
to
feel
the
fucking
Hard
cool
Rock.
and shit, even though all
I
this
went
shit's
to the
like,
Hard Rock on Friday, dude. As soon as I walked in, there were like fucking huge pendants, thick ass
yeah,
chains. Buddy was bust down. Buddy had 2 bust down watches. I was like, God damn.
the two bus down. Yeah, like
That boy,
that's
that
I
boy
fuck
had
with that
two.
shit, but it
Like
ain't
my
me,
dog
bro.
was young thugging it.
Thugging it, yeah, G shit. But nothing is not me. I'm fine. I don't put myself in a box. I'll do whatever the fuck I want, whenever the fuck I want. But
Yeah.
I'm not the nigga to go make 100K this month and then to go spend 70 of it on a watch, you know, or to go make
Yeah.
50K this month and be like, oh, time for a fucking new car and blow it all, and then I have to work 10 times harder to fucking keep up with all this shit and always posting all that shit. You know, I like peace and
Yeah.
hippiness, my brother.
It's
I mean,
about
if
the
I make
freedom.
that for 6 months in a row, then yeah, I'm definitely gonna go do something.
Yeah, but then there's times too. I mean, I'm sitting here talking progressional and shit, bro. If I had a fat fucking day, I do some degenerate shit all the time. You know, don't think I'm just fucking clean at you. I have fucking blonde hair, bro. But for the most part, I really enjoy to hold on to my money. My entire and I'm not old. I'm just 30, but I'm old compared to all my friends somehow. I went through all that shit, bro. I went through getting rich as fuck and buying everything I could possibly fucking imagine. You know, cars and the houses and all the toys and jewelry and fucking designer clothes. Going on hella trips everywhere and shit, which we still do. But it's just like it's never ending, bro. I enjoy peace. I enjoy waking up, and if I didn't have to want to do fucking shit for the next 5 fucking years, I wouldn't have to do shit. And I think that's a bigger flex than anything else could ever possibly be for me. But even with that being said, like I don't know, bro. I'm doing really fucking well for myself the past like year and a half, even more than I was doing before. And it's starting to, I can feel it, you know. I'm starting to go to the casino. I'm risking thousands of dollars in fucking an hour. I'm fucking buying a whole ass fucking chain and pendant. I got hella designer clothes now, so I can feel it. I can feel it. But I am a hippie fucker. I don't really care for all that shit. This is King's watch. Yeah, that's clean, bro. Damn, my man's got the rollie.
Hey, were any of those guys wearing those chains in the high limit rooms, or were they just out walking around?
Yeah, people are weird, bro. I be thinking about it. We went out to that's when I first bought my chain. When we went out to New York, and I was not the pen. I didn't have the penny yet and shit, but I was a little fucking nervous walking around. I'm like, man, one of these niggas trying to take my chain, bro.
You
I
gotta
don't
be
wanna
Yeah,
walk
glasses.
around like that.
that's it.
I don't want to walk around like that. I want to fucking walk around enjoying life. You think anybody's trying to take the apple, bro? No one's taking the apple, bro. I'm good.
Hey, I flexed the Apple Watch too. Don't knock it.
Fact, hey, bro, we flexing out here, regardless. But people in Zen, we flex freedom, bro. We flex freedom. That's all we ever speak about. Bro, what are you doing today? I'm living, brother. Your order is
Hey,
complete.
Emmett, I'm headed to the gym, man. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to the gym.
Take care, brother. I just got the TR or the Tron, and so
Sounds
now I
good.
should be able to sell the whole bitch. Connecting you safely to MoonPay. Emmett enjoying the quality of time. For sure, bro. For once. For once in my life. It's always move, 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 win, 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 win. More money, more money, more money. And now I'm just like, I'm just trying to go travel and see my mom, bro. I haven't seen her in a fucking minute. How's my mom doing?
You gotta go see your mom's, bro.
Yeah, I don't see anybody, bro, but she's not anybody, so I gotta go kick it with her.
Yeah, even if it's for a day or
All
two.
right, champ. Gotta get back to work. I'll talk to you next time.
You say you gotta get back to work? We'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. We receive deposit now doing some final checks on your transaction. Thank you for your patience. We did it. Feel free to close the screen anytime. We'll email you with updates. Awesome. And now I bought too much TRX, so hell yeah, bro. Now anybody can send me USDT TRX. They need to simplify crypto. Yeah, you know what's interesting is I'm very well versed in crypto. You know, the transaction of crypto, all types of crypto, all types of exchanges, from meme coins to fucking altcoins to the big coins, all of the coins. You know, I've done all of the shit. I've gotten rug pulled many times. I invested in a fat nigga season, still am. Everything, bro. I've done everything, bro. And this bullshit, NFTs, I fucked with NFTs, bro. Yeah, I've done everything. And that shit still took me this long to pull out $400 out of a fucking account, you know? Just like, it's shitty. And so for any normal person who doesn't understand anything, because they're normal and I'm not normal, they're just going to run away and be sad, you know? Like, oh, fuck this. I'm not dealing with crypto. This is what it entails. Peace, you know? Out this bitch. Hit a few licks in Miami will save me 10 years on here. That's crazy. All humans want to show up the truth. Unless you're old, you start to care less about that. I know, bro. That's so true, Tony. The older I get, the less I mean, I still enjoy to... I like status. Like, that's live. I mean, I'm cool with status. I fuck with my status and holding myself to a higher level. You know, dressing nice, taking care of my... Like, I fuck with all that shit. But I guess it's just the impressing side of it. Yeah, like, needing to impress is where that shit just gone, bro. I don't need to impress anybody by anything anymore. I don't need to sell myself to anything. I'm just winning. You bought TRX truck? Nah, bro. Hell no. Those trucks are not pretty. Cool as fuck, fast, but they're ugly as fuck to me. Am I the only one?
Yeah.
You think they're nice?
Yeah.
That's so ugly to me, bro.
I've driven them and all that shit.
Oh yeah, sexy in the inside and a very powerful car. But the outside of it.
Comfortable.
Comfortable, yeah, I'm sure. Shit is ugly too. Look at that, that's awesome. That's awesome. I like the silver.
What do you have? A Hellcat Challenger?
No, I didn't get the Hellcat. Next one, bro. Next one. I got the model underneath. Wow, that's fucking cool. This is my truck, right? The Challengers and Chargers are the only supercars I fit into. I've never fit into any Lamborghini, any Ferrari, any McLaren I've ever been into. I've been in a lot.
You don't fit in a vet, or you don't like vets?
I do fit into a vet, especially like you can really twist it in, bro. Like you can
Yeah.
really like sit
all the way.
Yeah, bro. It's just tight, fam. I'm 6'3", bro, so it's still just really fucking tight for me.
Hey, you need to take the roof off.
Look, I just made a video. I was just in a C8 like 3 weeks ago. We went to Orlando. I made a video about this shit. Wow, very cool. It sent it over. That's awesome. Yeah, all those types of cars are small for me, bro. I probably would have bought one if they weren't so goddamn small. Luckily for me is like anytime I travel with Andre is always in a different rental car every fucking week. That nigga's always in a different car. But when I go out to Orlando, like Parse has a Lamborghini. Obviously in Miami, fucking all of my friends are rich as fuck. And so I don't need to... I don't need it for the stunt. And that's all it would be for. I wouldn't drive this shit every day. It's too tight. That's a Lamb. This one too, though. You guys probably can't see, but... Yeah, you guys don't realize, right? This is in Miami too. You can't see. But my you see my legs look all crunched and shit, bro? It's fucked.
Yeah, it's fucking right next to the steering wheel.
Yeah, and I'm down. That it's completely down right there. Where's the C8 at? It's just very interesting. Oh, that's the Alfa Romeo. I guess I didn't take a picture with it, bro. What the fuck? I like to make these videos of inside of it. Here it is. I think this is it. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. I don't know. But they're all fucking small as fuck. I guess there's pros and cons to being tall. No, it's all pros, bro. It's all pros. I would be down to squeeze into a car for fucking the hour, 2 hours that I drive. owning it full time, I'd probably be upset with the investment because it's so much fucking money. But no, being tall is 100% better than being anything else. 100% of the time. If there's
That's
one
true.
thing that I would wish that I was short for, it would be nothing, bro. I'm telling you, there's not a single thing you'd want to be short for. Tall is just
Oh yeah.
giveaway time. Send it to one of us. Make sure it really works fully. NFTs. Yeah,
Giveaway
if you
time.
guys want to taste into like supercars, like I know they're expensive. Like when we rent the that orange Lambo is like I think $1,200 and you have to do deposit and shit. But C8s are not, bro. You can go get a C8. And Russo knows maybe down in Miami it's a
they're
bit more
cheap.
expensive, bro. Like $350 to drive a C8, and they're motherfucking powerful cars. You know that V8 is a nice V8. I don't care what anybody says.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice V8. I watched the V8 C8 keep up with the McLaren for the first couple seconds off of the bro. C8s are nasty fucking V8, bro.
Yeah.
McLaren's a V8 too, so it is what it is. But
But it was
all
a
McLaren's
570,
V8s.
right?
Fun fact, huh?
It was a 570, right?
No, Mamba's 720 versus Cowboys. Yeah, bro, them V8s, bro. It's not a game, bro. They're really
quick,
not
bro.
a game.
They're fucking quick. That shit'll put you on your ass.
They're fucking hard as fuck.
Oh yeah, I'm a car guy too. Like
C8 in Miami is like a Honda, which is crazy. That's just bullshit, bro. It's, people put them stipulations in there. Anybody who buys a C8, you're a G, bro. It's a beautiful car. It's still, I mean, unfortunately, they went so low. You can probably buy them for like 40, 50K, but very, very nice fucking cars. I think I fit into a C8 more than all the rest of them for sure. More than McLaren, more than Lamborghini, more than Ferrari. They're all. The C8 is the biggest one. I think. You think that's true, Russo?
Huh?
You think
I
the
bet
C8
I
is the biggest one out of Lambos and Ferraris as far as room and shit?
I don't know. They're all pretty fucking tight, to be honest.
Yeah,
I
they're all
barely fit
tight.
in a C8.
The Challenger, open room, man. That's a motherfucking
Oh,
boat,
yeah.
bro.
That's
But
just
it's
a
got a
boat.
back seat, so it's just different.
But the C8s are definitely a lot more comfortable than the C7s. I'll tell you that.
King,
Yeah,
you need to
more.
look at the ZR1X, bro.
That's
1250
not bad. The new one, nice. ZR1. I don't know about cars, so this is kind of new to me, y'all, to be honest.
Oh,
Oh,
the
yeah.
ZR1 is
ZR1.
nasty, bro. It's
There's a
disgusting.
ZR1.
Silverado?
Nah,
No,
Corvette.
Oh, like what the fuck?
C8 ZR1.
Oh, Corvette.
There's a ZR1. It's 1064 horsepower, and then there's a
Oh,
ZR1
those are cool.
all-wheel drive.
Dude, 175K for 1,000 fucking horsepower. What is the point of getting a Lamborghini? I'm just kidding. Lamborghinis are very cool, but that's awesome. I mean,
No
come on
point.
now. It's cheap as fuck for what you're getting. Is this a V8 still, isn't it?
For sure, with two turbos.
Bro, sexy, bro. I love the shit that people talk
turbos.
about V8s. It's fucking hilarious to me. Beautiful, beautiful car. And I like this too. But I don't like how they did this, bro. I'll be honest with you. I think it's fucking tacky as shit. Putting all the buttons right here. When I hopped into it for some reason, I thought it was a little tacky. Beautiful, beautiful car. Wow, look at that fucking thing. Oh, that's a render though, but this is a beautiful car. Does anybody say this is not a beautiful car? I remember when Dollar got his C8 and people were talking so much shit. It was, why didn't he get a Ferrari now? Like, Dollar makes a lot more money than most of these people with Lambos by far. Do you use Mambo's Fox strategy? No. Bro, what is the minimum amount I should have to start trading with you? And what are your charges? $65 a month, and I would suggest $1,000 because we trade motherfucking what do we trade? We trade indices. I would just start with $1,000. Anything beyond that, because if you're risking every point movement at the lowest lot size, you have to risk $1 per point movement. You know what I'm saying? So it's like if we have a 30-point stop loss, you only have $500 in.
Oh shit!
I guess that's a lot. $500 is fine, bro. That
This is
GTR is
the I
nice.
like right here.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's my dream car right there.
Same.
That's your dream car?
Well,
Supra
my first
is
dream
mine.
car.
Clean Gene, what is that? Is it
But
just
that
too
brand
small
new
inside?
GTR, not that old 2012 piece of shit.
We're getting a
Hey, yo.
This is 300K. That shit ain't no cheap shit.
we're getting this from my girl's dad. Do you guys remember, King, do you remember this from like a year ago? He's almost finally done. He's old as fuck, so it just takes some time and shit. But yeah, we're getting it, bro. That's what I'm trying to save the last spot I have in my we have a big ass driveway, to be honest with you, but it's being filled, bro. We have two cars, we have a boat and the jet ski, and then a big ass shed that covers everything. Yeah, me too. Fuck you for never mentioning the real goat. Bro, you're just silent now. I don't even know when you're here. Maybe we should change your name to Silent Goat.
Quiet goat.
Yeah, and I don't give a fuck about cars, so it's like she's so excited for this shit. I'm like, bro, what the fuck are we gonna do with this shit, bro? I don't give a fuck about this car. It looks cool for people who like cars and shit, but I don't give a fuck
Yeah.
about it, you know? So she's gonna put some shit into it. It's I'm trying to show you guys the exact one because it's actually very nice, cool as shit.
That boy gonna build a sleeper.
This is kind of the closest I can get. No, that's a soft top. But that shit, these are the rims on it. This is pretty much it. But then it's got the hard top on it. Convertible though, you can pull it down and shit. It's gangsta shit. But like, I don't know, what the fuck am I gonna do with that, bro? Put some switches in that bitch?
I can think of a lot, so.
Yeah. Many people can. Yeah, I know it's so sad because especially the '68 Impala. This is a huge year of what it was the biggest, whatever the fuck or whatever. So we'll see. You know, they got to bring it to us first. It drives and everything. It just doesn't have AC, so we got to put AC in it. He just put all new gaskets in for the doors and all the new seals and shit and blah blah blah. He put weather stripping on, and that's what it's called, weather stripping.
Well, those things are worth a shit ton of money. So.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they're expensive to restore, so.
But a shit ton for like these cars, not actually a shit ton of money.
Well, I mean, if
People buy them.
if it's in decent condition, then I mean, those shits are expensive, bro. Like no rust, like if it has rust and all that shit, and to restore it, shit, I've seen builds go up plus 200K.
No restore. He's a psycho with it, you know. He polishes it all the time and fucking it's always covered. He drives it once a week. He's been driving it once a week for the past like fucking 40 years kind of guy. His dad had a lot, bro. You know, did very well for himself, and he was a car guy, and so he had a lot. He had a garage of like a fucking compound, bro, of like
So the thing is
20 of
perfect,
these
then.
collector cars and such. And when he passed, he gave him mostly to one of his sons because one of his son is really big into cars and shit. But her dad ended up getting this one and shit. So like he was very serious, and I think it was just like a sentimental thing to him. So he's always taking care of it as much as it was
Facts.
taking care of before him and shit. So yeah, it'll be a fun project. We keep waiting. It's like we're waiting on this project so we can have fun with it. It'll be fun for content too. Put a nice like engine block in it. Maybe do the interior and shit. Be like fun videos and shit. But
We can throw a
fucking
Hellcat
taking
motor in there, let me know.
dude. Somebody, what'd you say, bro?
We could throw a Hellcat motor in there. Let me know.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Yo, I got
And they've been
a
done.
quote. How much do you think it costs to remove a Scat engine and put a Hellcat engine into a
In your car?
Mhm. Russo knows.
I'm
I
not
think
sure
Russo-
if you would need wiring, but you're looking around 10 to 12.
Hell no, bro.
Yeah.
It's completely
cheap.
different. It's a completely different engine, which I didn't know. It's not
Yeah.
plug and play, like literally at all.
No, you have a
fucking plug and
6.4
play.
liter V8, and the Hellcat is a 6.2 liter V8 with a supercharger on top.
What does that mean? What is the difference between
I need
liters,
to
4
reinforce
liters,
the
6 liters?
suspension and everything.
Liters is basically
The
how you can
cylinders,
tell
right?
the size of the motor. And also it has to do with the size of your
Zen.
pistons, like the dimension of your pistons.
Oh, like how far out they come out and shit or whatever.
Well, everything has to do with it. So yeah.
Yeah. I knew all that. I was just testing you. Rapid and Zenlab green with gold rims. That's crazy, bro. That's some G ass shit. Rocking the Zenlab logo. And then
With the gold
these will be
4Gs.
the fucking we'll make these the fucking mats. We'll make Zen mats for the fucking
Oh yeah. I'll buy them instantly the same day they're dropped.
We'll be riding dirty with the media. That's some G shit. That's maybe what we need to do is
Some
bring
GTA
old school
shit.
tip into it. Everything is Ferraris and Lambos. We bring some old school Impalas in this bitch. Chains and
yeah.
grills.
Look, we
For
coming all iced
sure,
out.
bro. Never question the old guy car conditioning, especially cars like that. Most of them keep it mint. Yeah, we always have to understand too. There's no systems involved with this car. It's just car, you know. So things to fix and to maintain are not nearly what they are now. Like my truck, there's some type of electrical issue that just came up to where sometimes when I auto, because I start it from in here. I don't go out there and start it just so the AC is running and shit once I get out there, and then I turn it on once I get in there. The fucking my fucking music doesn't play, bro. It's an electrical thing. But if you turn off the car, open the door, close the door, turn it on, then the music works again. And it's some type of electrical fucking issue. And
But do you have a
those old
Ford?
school cars, you ain't gotta deal with none of that weak ass shit, bro. It's just engine and move.
What truck you got? A Ford?
Nah, Silverado, same truck.
That's the problem. It's a Chevy.
Yeah, if I had a Ford, somebody in here would say that's the problem. It's a Ford. No, the problem is the systems. They just are continuously adding in more and more systems, and there's likelihood things to happen. You know, all my friends who had a McLaren, 100% of them all regret it. I'm sure Russo's friends too, because they're
Yeah,
just
they're all
nothing but a
fucked up
fucking
one way or
nightmare. It's
another.
no fun. It's like, oh, let me fucking drive it like an asshole for a week, and then it'll sit in the shop for 2 months, and then I'll drive it for an asshole for 2 days, and it'll sit in the shop for 2 months. It's like,
Yeah.
it's
Major
just
facts. If
upsetting.
you want to drive like an asshole, get a Porsche.
Get to put facts. I've been told for sure. Yeah, I think Porsches are a little gay, so that's why I wouldn't get them. But I
Porsche is
feel it, though.
a Porsche is the only car. I don't care what anybody says that you go to the track, you can literally get there at 9 a.m., 7 a.m., whatever the fuck time you want, and drag that bitch down the strip 50 times until 9 p.m., whatever time you want. And then the first run is gonna be the same as the last run. The last run is gonna be the same as the first run. Numbers aren't gonna drop. None of that shit. You just need like 10 minutes between runs. That's it.
Yeah, Porsches are the truth.
And they're good racing cars, yeah.
Bro, you can beat that shit to
Personally, I wouldn't own one.
life.
New cars will have more issues than old cars because they add a lot of stuff that the car depends on the function. Yeah, I know. Yo, what does pinches trocas ojetes mean?
What does what?
Pinches trocas ojetes. What does that mean?
Pinche trocas or what?
Ojetes.
I'm not sure what ojetes is, but trocas, trucks.
Ojetes.
Probably golden something. I'm not sure. Oh shit, gold is flying, bro. I got on a little something there.
Yeah, somebody said, all right, y'all, we're getting off here, YouTube and fucking Instagram.
You're still on YouTube?
Yeah, I just been forgetting. We just should have been done a long time ago. We haven't been trading for like an hour and a half, bro.
Like 2